Right. Lastly, we were discussing about HTML. The basic tags related to HTML were discussed. Now, today, in this lesson, we are going to learn about more HTML. Right. So let's begin. You can start doing this with me. Just take notepad is enough. Right. So anyway, I have released you the tutor earlier. So I'm not going to give notes today also because we are going to do the practical. Either you are using your mobile phone or doesn't matter, mobile phone or tab or computer, you can do this practical. And don't just take the book and pen. Here you need mobile phone or a laptop or desktop or tablet. I hope that you have joined one of these devices. Then you can do the practical with me. So what is the mobile phone software I suggested? Can anybody tell me? In mobile phone, what is the software that I suggested for editing? I said about one software in mobile phone. How many of you are using mobile phones? Can you raise your hand if you're using mobile phone? Okay, only 2. 3. Okay, you can go to Play Store. You can go to the Play Store and download this tool. The tool name is TrebEdit. TREB. TrebEdit. This is for the mobile phone users, right? Please download this TrebEdit. So then you can use it. You get yes? You have problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Just download TrebEdit. If you're using mobile phone, don't skip doing the practical, right? Anivariyama practical එක කරන්න. ඒක අතාරින්න නම් එපා practical එක. You can download TrebEdit if you're using mobile. Okay, let's do that. I'm going to open HTML tag and close the HTML tag, and then I'm going to use inside this head tag and then close the head tag. Then after the head tag, there's one body tag. Closing the body tag. Please note the spaces. I just use the tab key here, tab key here, tab key. Then inside the head tag, double tabs, title tag. This time, let's see how to apply a background. A background color can be simply applied by typing BG color attribute. If you type BG color, let's say gray, that will be applied to your background. Let's save this in your desktop. And the name that I'm going to give is hello bg.html. All files, save it and open it back. Go to the HTML. Open this hello bg.html. Or hello bh.html, whatever. Then you can see this. What has happened there? Hello, the gray color. Yes, gray color. You can see the gray color like this, right? So if you want to change the color, you can use some other color, maybe black, green, yellow, anything that convenient you can use. It will be applied to your web page. That is step number 1. So let's see, you want to apply a background wallpaper. I will send you 2 wallpapers. If not, you can download wallpapers from your computer too. Let me send you 2 kind of wallpapers. The first one is b1.jpg. That is a full wallpaper. I have already sent. You can download from the chat section. The second one is pt1.jpg. That is a very small image that also you can download. Let's set b2.jpg, the first image that I have sent. Actually, if you need to download that, you can just go to Google and type wallpaper, photo tools, size, select large sizes. From the tools, select large sizes. Then download any wallpaper. And my advice, when you are saving this, right, please note that the size is need to be high. When you're saving this, save it in the same place as your web page. My web page in the desktop, therefore I'm going to save this in the desktop. If you want, you can create another additional folder. Inside desktop, I have created a folder called IM. Inside IM, I'm going to save this as b2.jpg. Inside the desktop, inside IM folder, I'm going to save this b2.jpg. Now let me apply. So since I have saved inside, I can call this by calling the background attribute. Background attribute. Background attribute. Then IM folder, inside that, what is that? bg.jpg. What is the name? I have sent you. b2.jpg, sir. b2.jpg. Save it, and you will be able to see this as the background. Check whether you are getting the same result. If not, tell me. I can help you understand this. If not, tell me. If not, this is there, please tell me. Just try it first. If it is not appearing, tell me. I can help. I can ask you to share the screen and help you. First, give this. Or if it is difficult to give this background, you can just get the background URL from internet and give it. That can be done. You can just get the background URL from internet. Better you download it, actually. Or whatever the background you downloaded or what background that I have sent need to be saved in a folder called IM inside in your desktop, because here this file is in the desktop now. C users user desktop. So this file should also be there in the C user desktop, but inside IM folder, then b2.jpg, or if it is not inside folder, you can just call b2.jpg. That is up to you. Okay, but anyway, you have to make sure the location is perfectly given. If not, share me, like I can guide you, can help you. Share the screen if you are not seeing the image, I can help you.
So I haven't created that folder. That's the problem.
Yep. That's the thing. So is it working like, yes? You know, like I cannot, you are only sharing the code, so I cannot see that whether it's working or not. It's not working, right? It's not working. Should like, can you show me? So there's a, oh, see here background ghb2.jpg. Where it is saved? That gh, can you show me the location that you have saved? Desktop. You have in the download, so clearly you have error, right? So why don't you understand that part here? You are in the downloads. In the download, you are saved this as a gh. So, but your file is in the desktop. How can you find the desktop being in the downloads? It's not possible. Your file should be moved to the desktop folder. You can copy and paste in the desktop. So please understand this and do this, right? Don't just do this. Understand this and dekama තියෙනවනේ එකම තැන. එකක් download වල තියාගෙන අනිත් එක desktop වල තියාගත්තොත් ඔය විදිහට link කරන්න බෑ. එහෙනම් download වල තියෙන එක desktop එකට copy කරලා ඉන්න. දැන් බලන්න. Check it now. No need to save that. That will work. It's already saved. It's coming there. That's the reason. Anyone else? Anyone else wish to share? Share if you need help, right? Otherwise, how we are going to correct this? Don't wait until a god or like your mother or father will come and correct this. You can correct this in the classroom itself. Class එකේදීම correct කරගන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ ආයෝක දඟලන්න දෙයක් නෑ. Class එකේදීම correct කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Use that opportunity. So all of you are done. That means, right? No need to get help. Help එකක් කාටවත් ඕනේ නැද්ද? හැමෝම කරලා ඉවරද? Okay, then shall we go to the next?
Sir, I need.
Then you have to share. Don't wait until I ask specifically. That is wasting your time too.
Sir, in my one is not.
Your file is in the desktop. Can you show me the picture? Where's the picture? Is it in the desktop?
Yes, sir.
Where? Which desktop? Close it.
Okay, sir.
Close the file. Go to the code now. Just go to the code. BG color. BG color or background? BG color is only the color. So it should be background, right? Put background and see. Change it to background. Change it and show me. Don't close the share into it. Change it and show me. Then only I can help you. Should be background. BACK GROUND. BACK. BG background name. Background. Just background. BACK GROUND. Just that. GROUND. Refresh it. Right click and go to the page source. Right click on the page, middle of the page. Then select the view page source. I think you are saving a different file. When a file එකක් නේද අර open කරගෙන ඉන්නේ. Okay වෙනස් වෙලා නැහැනේ. බලන්න ගිහලා notepad එකට මම හිතන වෙන කොහේ හරි save කරපු file එකක් තමයි open කරගෙන ඉන්නේ. Go to the notepad and see. File save කරන්න බෑ. File save as යන්න බෑ. Go to file save as. I think this is save as. It's in the desktop. Okay, save it now. Yes. After that, go to the click yes. After that, go to the browser and view it again. Okay, now it's there.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anyone else? So I'll be moving to the next. So if you need help, then and there tell me. Then that is the easiest way of correcting. Because if you try to do this later, then again there will be problem, right? That's why I'm asking you to do this.
Sir, mage maybe one එක අඩ නැහැ.
I can share කරන්න. PT1 දැන් කොහෙද ඔක තියෙන්නේ? PT1 PT1 space එකකුත් තියෙනවා. Then go to file, save as. ඔයාගේ background එක කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ පුතේ? උදාම්සා background එක කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ? download කරපු එක downloads වලද? desktop එකේද? නෑ ඔහොම හොයන්න බෑ. Is it in the desktop? You have to show me where the downloaded file. Where's the downloaded? Then one files where's the downloaded file? You have to show me first. Where did you save that actually? Can't you remember? Go to the chat and save it again. Save the file again or search it at least. So by searching also you can discover it. So where is this file? කොහෙද ඔය ෆයිල් එක තිබ්බේ පුතේ? pt.jpg නේද? pt ස්පේස් එකක් තියෙනවද මන් දන්නෙත් නෑ ඒකේ. කොහෙද ඔය ෆයිල් එකව සේව් කරේ කියලා මට චුට්ටක් පෙන්නන්නකෝ දරුවෝ. මට ඔක දාගෙන හිටියට වැඩක් නෑ. මට ෆයිල් එක පේනවා. මට ඕන කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ කියලා බලා ගන්නයි ඕන. ඔයා දන්නේ නැද්ද තියෙන තැන? එහෙනම් සර්ච් කරන්න ගිහිල්ලා. ඔය නම එක්ස්ප්ලෝරර් වින්ඩෝ එකක් සර්ච් කරලා ගිහිල්ලා සර්ච් කරන්න. නෑ ඔතන සර්ච් කරන්න එපා. වෙනම එක්ස්ප්ලෝරර් එකක් ගන්න. පල්ලෙහින්. ෆයිල් එක්ස්ප්ලෝරර් වින්ඩෝ එකක් දරගන්න මෙතනින්. ඒකේ සර්ච් කරන්න. මොකද බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එක තියෙන තැන ඔයා දන්නේ නැතුව ආට බෑ ඒක මේව කරගන්න. ඕකේ සර්ච් කරන්නකෝ ඔය pt ඔය තියෙන්නේ මේ මෙතන පෙන්නන ඕන තියෙන තැන බලන්න එතන ගිය හැටි මේ පැත්තේ සයිඩ් එකේ පෙන්නන. ඔය තියෙන එක. රයිට් ක්ලික් කරලා යන්න බලන්න ලොකේෂන් එකට ඒ තියෙන. personal desktop එකේ උදාම්සා කියලා ෆෝල්ඩර් එක තමයි ආයක සේව් කරගෙන තියෙන්නේ. Right click and go to the location. Open file location. Right click කළා rename කරගන්නකො ඉස්සෙල්ලා. Right click rename. අර ස්පේස් එකක් තියෙන එක අයින් කරන්න pt කියලා විතරක් දෙන්න. හරි එන්ටර් කරන්න. දැන් යන්නකෝ ආගේ කෝඩ් එකට. Please go to your code now. So please save your file now. You have to save this file in the same folder. File save as in the desktop. Go to Udamsa folder. There you have to double click and there you have to say give a name and save it. කැමති නමක් දෙන්න උතන type කරන්න කැමති නම. File name you can type any name. ටෙක්ස්ට් එකක් විදිහට සේව් කරන්න HTML විදිහට. any name කිව්වම extension එක මම any extension කිව්වේ නැහැ. Save it back. File save as. File save as txt නෙමෙයි පල්ලෙහින්. Change it to all files. දැන් මේ ගිය සතිය ආවේ නැද්ද පුතේවා? lesson එක බලන්න ඕන lecture එක ආවේ නැත්නම් ඔයාලා ඔය සතියක් කෙන එකෙන් තමයි ප්‍රශ්න වෙන්නේ. මේක save කරන්න all files කියලා. Change it to all files. දැන් අතන type කරන්න dilu.html කියලා. just type .html. dot ඔය කමා එකක්ද ගහුවේ dot එකද හරියට. dot නේද? and then save කරන්න. then යන්නකො location එකට go to your folder back to Udamsa's folder. Explorer. Go to the Explorer and go to the folder back and open the file. Click OK. Yes, click OK. Just open it. Okay, cannot see anything. Right click. Go to the view source. Right click in the middle of the file. File like a map. Here, in the middle of the file, please right click somewhere here. View page source. HTML head is open, head title open, title loss, body. BACKGROUND. PT1 name, the pt.jpg. Don't change here. You can go to the notepad and change. Otana change karanna ba. Notepad ekata. Be conscious. Do it with an idea. PT kiyala da api rename kare PT1 kiyala da. You have to give the same name, right? PT ne oyage nama. Mama PT1 kiyala ewata oyaga PT kiyala save karagatta. Here you have to do the same name. Save it. Go to your page and refresh it. Save. Save and save as has a difference. Okay. Now go to this and refresh. You can see the background there. Actually, the background will get repeated. This is the second background that I wanted to say. So the second background is a very small one. But what will happen when you apply such background? The large background is this. But the small background that I have sent the second time, that is small background. That is, what is the name of that? You need to make sure these all are there in the folder, right? Desktop, I have IM folder. So this is PT1 in my one. So here, if I give PT1, the PT1 is very small one. Can you see when I open this? This is very tiny, small. It's like a dot. Cannot even see. When I zoom this only, you can see something there. That is very, very small, tiny background. So see, it's very blurred, very small. This is like 1400 times zoom, but still it's nothing, right? But this is very tiny background. I just created using this. This is the background actually. Can you see how many pixels, how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots here, 5 dots downward, all the way together, 25 dots. But this is 600, 4000 times zoom. So let me reduce this to 100%. And this is how you can see the image in 100%. It's very tiny, very small, very tiny. When I zoom this to here, 102800 this time, 12,800 times, this is what I can see. But when you apply such background to your image, so that background will get repeated. Can you see? That is why you can see this as text. It will get repeated. That is the idea. If you change this background, so let me change this background. Now I need to add some other color pixels. I'm going to choose, select some other pixels from here. Let's use red color pixels. Add in few red color pixels and saving it. Now, if I go to this and refresh, you can see some red color appearance. The reason is I have added red color dots. I just need to remove this white color and I'm adding red color to that as well. That will appear this more reddish, red and black. And if you don't like that, if you want to change that, you can change. Time to time, you can add different color pixels, and let's see, you need green color pixels. Okay, save it, and now the background will be greenish. Right, if it is a blue color, so likewise, you can change the theme. But that is very small, tiny one. What will happen? Actually, this image will be repeated. If you want to see this practically, so let's download very small image. I just need a background, but small one this time. small one. Or icon one. Icon one will be like very small now. Here this is 256 by 256. Okay, let's download this one. Save as. I'm saving in the same folder. So let's try to use that background. You have to correctly give the file name, webp, right? im2.webp. Save. See what happened. So it get repeats. When there's a small background, it get repeats. Body background at තිබ්බොත් තමයි හොම වෙන්නේ. දැන් ගොඩාක් චූටි එකක් තිබ්බොත් ඒකේ repeat ගොඩාක් ආවම pattern එකක් වගේ. මේක ඇත්තට පොඩි එකක් නෙමෙයි. But still it get repeats. Likewise, you can try with the different background, different file types and see what will happen. And same time you can add image too, but that is not as a background. To do that, img src, you can just get say pt1 එක නම් චූටි වැඩිනේ. So let's add some other image. I'm going to add b2.jpg, this one. Then you have to tell the location exactly. b2.jpg. But when you try to add this with img tag, it looks larger because this image is, what is the name? It is inside im2, right? im folder b2.jpg. You can see it looks larger, right? It's covering the entire page. I want to make it smaller, so I can just control the width or height, anything. Let's say width 400. It will look smaller, right? If you want to center it, you can use the center tags. Okay, try with all these things. It's not difficult. That will make this background, this image center. But I know this background is a bit ugly. Therefore, let me change it to back to pt1 jpg. Save, refresh. You'll see this. Right, background is one thing. Image background is one thing. The normal image is another thing. You can try this now. I'll give you 5 minutes. No, only 5 minutes, 3 minutes. So lists are basically how you can represent things in an order or in a point format. Considering these two formats, there are two kinds of lists. One list is a ordered list. So let's add the list here itself. OL, refer to ordered list. Can refer inside the OL. So the list items, LI, or the list items shows the items. So let's say car, van, bus. These are 3 list items in this list. Car, van, bus. Let's save. You can see car, van, bus as list items. So let's better if you can apply the color, font color white, right? Otherwise it's not visible. Or just have a plain background, the orange color background, and remove this background image to make it more visible. Otherwise, like it's unclear. Now we can see. Right, the same list, same ordered list, having few more types. You can add 1, 2, 3 format. That is anyway normal. This one, if you add the 1, 2, 3 type, OL type 1, so your list will be 1, 2, 3. That is normal, similar, right? here. So then let's copy and add few more. The type attribute can be changed to other types, like type A. Type A will be make this list A, B, C, D like list. And type A will be changing this to simple AB. Type I capital is Roman numbers. Type I simple is simple Roman numbers. So these are the possible types that you can apply for this list. So shall we try that soon? The possible types, the ordered list with possible types. So please try this along. And I'll give you 2 minutes. After that, let's do unordered list and also mixed lists. Like similar to ordered list, we can add bulleted list. So that is unordered, UL. So I'll add to the end of this list. So ordered list, then UL is unordered list. UL, unordered list. Then, so these types are not valid for UL. There are different types. Normal UL list will come with like this, the bulleted items. But there are few more types available. The normal type is disk. Right? Normal type is disk. Here, let me update the type to disk, DISC. But there are some other types. The next type is type circle. The next type is type square. So these are the possible types for unordered list. Actually, we can mix all looks. Circle, CARCL, sorry, circle. So this is disk, this is disk, this is circle, and this is square. You can try these unordered list types also. Right, the list can be included inside the other lists. Let's see that next. Please tell me once you are done. Next, let's discuss how can we place lists inside lists. When you are drawing, you should be mature, right? When you are drawing, you should be mature. But so when you are drawing, I can see clearly because I'm just only teaching one subject. But I can see that you are not mature in your, instead of that, you are killing yourselves. Don't know why. So you had nice behavior when you joined in grade 6. That is not there now. I'm rethinking whether to do this class further or not. Why? Because I cannot see that behavior through you now. Because you were questioning, you were asking a lot of things when you joined, and you had a lot of problems. You did a lot of experiments, changes. You were showing it to me. So those things were really nice practicals, right? Colorful examples. You did a lot. But now it seems you are not even doing what I'm assigning in the class. So if I ask the reason, so there are like, you are not even responding. You're not even talking. So don't think that this is not the way of drawing, right? So maybe in your class, 99 students will draw this way. That is the nature of Sri Lanka. But you have to be different from them. Otherwise, you will just become a kind of slave in this island, which you will act according to the others' instructions. You will not go globally. If you know, we need to recognize yourself, first respect yourself. Respect the way you are. So if you are in the inquiry-based learning, you are lucky, because that is what this STEM learning. So I always like to highlight this. This is suggested by NASA one time, 2011. 2011, NASA suggested STEM learning and STEAM learning, right? I had that practice. I'm not sure whether I have this in the slides. Let's see. If I have that, I'll show you. But I don't know whether I can correct you, because you are dying day by day, you are dying. You are dying means your skills are dying, right? So that I know the reason. Reason is you are following the syllabus. That is the main reason. When you are following the syllabus, you learn only the things that is given in the syllabus and that is in the book. You're only trying to face the examinations. This is the result. And this is the ultimate result because you are framed. You are not going out of this frame. So this is by NASA in 2011. They said the things should be taught in this way. So that is basically the student-centric education. They suggested to go for I'll show you some right here. Teaching science as inquiry. So what is this inquiry-based education? So if you search what is inquiry-based education, right? It is where inquiry-based learning approach, learning emphasizes the student's role in the learning process rather than teacher telling students what they need to know. Students are encouraged to explore the materials, ask questions, and share ideas. This is what I did when I started the class. So try to understand this concept. මේකෙදි අහන්නේ මොකද්ද? ටීචර් කියන දේ ළමයා ඉගෙන ගන්න এডুকেෂන් එකක් නෙවෙයි ඕන අතනතේදී. හරිද? ළමයා තමන්ට ඕන දේවල් හොයලා අහලා ක්වෙස්චන් අහලා එයාලගේ අදහස් ෂෙයා කරලා එයා එක්ස්පෙරිමන්ට් කරලා හොයා ගන්න දේවල් ටීචර්ත් එක්ක බෙදා ගන්න එක සහ ටීචර්ගෙන් එකට හෙල්ප් එකක් ගන්න එක තමයි millennial education. අලුත් education system එකේදී inquiry based learning වලදී බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ. That is what suggested by NASA. මොකද NASA එක කවදාවත් තියෙන ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෙවෙයි හොයන්නේ. අලුත් ප්‍රශ්නනේ. අලුත් දේවල් නේ හොයන්නේ. ඒතර අලුත් දේවල් තියෙන එකකින් ඉගෙන ගන්න බෑ. If you want to learn existing content, there are number of books, go and read them to learn things. But if you want to explore the world, innovate, do something innovative, if you want to be a character recognized in the world, so do the other way, explore the world, explore it, ask questions, do things. I try to do that, but I don't know what is happening in the other side. Maybe you are so if I am only one teacher, you may have 20-30 teachers. If I am trying to promote this inquiry based education, if other teachers are trying to dictate you like this, so then I'm also helpless. This is end product. ඔයගොල්ලන්ටම තේරෙන්න ඕන ඔයගොල්ලෝ 6 වසරේදී හිටපු විදිහට නෙවෙයි දැන් ඉන්නේ කියලා. You are dying and you are adapting to this system. මේ සිස්ටම් එකේ පුතේ හැමදාම අනිත් අය කියන දේවල් ඔයාලා කරන්න ඕන. ඒක තමයි මේ සිස්ටම්. You are adapting to this. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේකට පුරුදු වෙනවා දැන්. ටීචර් හරි කිව්වොත් ඒකම තමයි හරි. එතනින් එහාට අලුත් දෙයක් තිබ්බත් ඔයාලා හොයන්නේ නැහැ. ගවර්න්මන්ට් එක මේක තමයි හරි කිව්වොත් ඒක තමයි හරි. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ සිස්ටම් එකට හැදීගෙන යන්නේ, that is dangerous for you, but if you love that system, adapt it, don't worry. So but you will never go to the world as a winner. Forever you will become a slave and stay in this island. That is what going to happen then, right? So be careful with this. This education is tricky, but you don't want to be a part of this education. So what you can do, you can explore the world and become a world-class student rather than becoming just a traditional student. You are so silent. How you know that you are dying now? That's the reason. Anyway, I can't help you. I can explain what's happening, but I can't help you. Right? What you can do is like you can integrate this here. Let's say you want to categorize this further. I'm going to copy this ordered list and paste it here after the car. I'm pasting this here. That means inside the ordered list, there's another ordered list. Can you see? Inside the ordered list, there's another ordered list. This is the main ordered list. This is the main ordered list. Inside that main ordered list, there's another ordered list. So this car, let's categorize this into Toyota, Micro, maybe, and Nissan. Now, if you save this, you'll be able to see subcategories like this: car, Toyota Micro. But if you don't like this, the numbering, you can change it, or you can make it unordered list even. UL unordered list. Save. See here. Now Toyota Micro unordered list, or you can change it to ordered list of type A, B, C, D. Cross ordered list. Likewise, you have the flexibility. You can add list inside list, whether it is ordered, unordered. This is called nested list. Lists inside lists. It's possible to have them. Okay, that is this section. I think we have discussed, like just take a screenshot, try this. Just take a screenshot and try this later. Maybe today itself you can try. We have discussed up to here the image addition, background, reference images. Yes, up to here we have done lists also. Then the links need to be done. And also the last part, I will be finishing this lesson next week, right? Okay, then good night. See you all next week.
Good night, sir.
Have a nice
Bye.
day, sir.
Good night, sir.
Bye.
Good night,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Welcome. Bye.